Ever had that frustrating moment when you try to open a folder or program, only to get hit with annoying DLL error messages, and you have no clue how to fix them? Well, guess what? There's a solution, Bitwar DLL Fixer. It can solve all those system-related headaches for you. The interface has options for comprehensive repairs, runtime library fixes, and system DLL file repairs. But if you're not sure which one you need, just go with the full fix option. As it says in the description, this scans your entire system for missing DLL problems. Just click the Start Scan button in the bottom right corner. The program will start scanning your system for any missing DLL files. After a short wait, you'll see a list of files that need attention. Scroll through the list, check the boxes next to the 3 files you want to fix, and click the Fix button in the bottom right. The tool will immediately start repairing them. Wait a bit, and you'll see a success message showing 3 successful fixes and 0 failures. That's it. Your DLL problems are solved. Subscribe now to learn more about our wide range of helpful tools.